Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant event reminder notifications on your Facebook page and want to turn them off, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the latest steps to disable event reminder notifications for your Facebook page using your PC following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you manage where you want to disable those event reminders. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, look for the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded options. This is where you can control all the important details for your page. Next, in the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This is where you manage what kinds of alerts you get for your page. Within the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Events. Click on it to see all the notification settings related to events for your page. You'll see an option called Reminders. This is the setting that controls whether you get those event reminder notifications. To disable them, simply toggle the switch off. Once you do this, you won't receive any more event reminder notifications for your page. And that's it. You've successfully turned off event reminder notifications for your Facebook page. No more unnecessary alerts cluttering your Notifications tab. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these steps again to turn them back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.